guys! Welcome to Love Samara. Today we're going to be discussing some makeup tutorials for every face shape. Now, there are 6 main types of facial shapes: diamond, oval, heart, round, rectangular, and square. Knowing your face shape helps you pick flattering hairstyles, glasses, and accessories that enhance your features. It simplifies grooming and styling choices to create a more harmonious and confident look. Identifying your face shape involves measuring certain facial features. Here are general guidelines for each shape. An oval face shape has a forehead that is slightly wider than the chin, and the length is about 1.5 times the width. With a round face shape, cheekbones are the widest part, and the face has a circular appearance. Square face shapes have a forehead, cheekbones, and a jawline that are all similar in width, and the angle of the jaw is sharp. A heart face shape has a wider forehead and cheekbones with a narrower chin that may come to a point. Diamond face shapes usually have a narrow forehead and jawline, with cheekbones being the widest part of the face. A rectangular facial shape is usually characterized by its forehead, cheekbones, and jawline being relatively similar, but the face is longer and the jawline may have a gentle curve. Now that you have identified your face shape, let's move on to the tutorials. Focus on accentuating the cheekbones. Contour the forehead and jawline to create balance. Soften the pointed chin with a slightly rounded blush application. Highlight the center of the forehead and chin. Oval faces are versatile and can pull off various looks. Highlight the center of the forehead, down the nose and on the chin. Contour the sides of the forehead and under the cheekbones subtly. Play up your eyes or lips, but avoid extreme contouring to maintain the natural balance. Soften the forehead by contouring the sides. Highlight the center of the forehead and under the eyes. Apply blush slightly above the apples of the cheeks. Use neutral eyeshadows to balance the top-heavy appearance. Contour the sides of the forehead and under the cheekbones to add definition. Apply blush slightly above the apples of the cheeks and blend towards the temples. Contour the jawline to create a more sculpted look. Focus on elongating the appearance of the face with vertical lines in eye makeup. Contour the hairline and jawline to soften the angles. Apply blush on the apples of the cheeks to add width. Focus on creating horizontal lines in eye makeup to balance the face. Soften the appearance of a long forehead with bangs or by applying foundation on the forehead. Soften the jawline and forehead by contouring the sides. Apply blush on the apples of the cheeks and blend towards the temples. Use eyeshadow to create soft, rounded corners on the eyes. Soften angular features with a slightly rounded lip shape. Remember that these are general guidelines and makeup is a form of self-expression, so feel free to experiment and find what works best for you. Adjustments may be needed based on individual features and preferences. Thanks for watching.